Oh. Hi, I'm Michael. Are you the student? Because I have never seen you before.
Yes, I am. I'm here, and my name is Glenn. Actually, I'm really
Oh, sure. Class 10.2 is on the third floor. You're welcome. See you.
Hi, I'm Kylie. I'm a new student.
Hi Kylie, welcome to our school. My name is Jesslyn, that is my best friend Fiona.
Hi Kylie, nice to meet you.
Have you met Michael by name?
Yes, he's the first person I met in school.
What do you think about him? Is he nice?
Yes, he's very nice. He's known how he's fun.
That's good. So, how do you feel on your first day as a new student at the school?
Honestly, I feel really nervous. I'm afraid I won't get any friends, but luckily I met you guys.
What do you think about our school?
I think it's a great school. The facilities seem impressive, and I find some friendly.
Good to hear that. I hope you enjoy and feel comfortable. And also, if you need anything, just call me. I will try to help you.
Thank you so much, Jen.
Hi Michael, you seem kind of alone today. What's wrong?
Actually, I'm feeling a bit stressed out. I have done my math homework because it's really difficult, and I still need to study chemistry because there is a test tomorrow.
Force yourself to hurt Michael. You need still rest. I help you to do math homework.
Really? Thank you so much, Miss Ling. I really appreciate it.